Welcome guys back to another video. Today we are going to be going over how to set custom names for mobs. So as you already know, a custom name can be set using a name tag. But what happens if we don't want to set it using a name tag? So this is what we do. First, let's summon a sheep. By now guys, you already know how to use a command block, but if you don't, then I'll just go over it one more time. In Java Edition, go to Stage Manager Utility or Operator Blocks. And now, command blocks here, or just type in /give arts command block, like that. Now it says summon sheep. Set your coordinates. ~1 means one block above the command block. And now here's the difficult part. NBT. Now on Bedrock Edition you can just put the name right here. So this is what your command will look like in Bedrock Edition. But as you know, we're in Java Edition and you can't just put the name there. First, put 2 curly brackets. Then in between them, put, and make sure you follow my case. If you don't follow my case, like if you put a capital letter where there shouldn't be one, or lowercase letter where there should be capital, your command will not work. I know, it's difficult. Custom name. Now, I'm going to show you the basic version first, and then I'm going to show you what the advanced version looks like. Custom name. Now set this to whatever you like. And now, place another comma. Custom name visible 1B. Now let me just give myself a lever. And now we've got a sheep called Mr. Sheep. Now here's the advanced version. You've already got basic commands like this, but I'll show you how to customize the names even further. First, let's go into the editor. And now, select your name here and wrap it inside a set of these 2 brackets. First a square bracket, then a curly bracket. Like this. Now you can see it's in red because we need to add something. At the start of Mr. Sheep, add text : Mr. Sheep. And now you get to choose other parameters, for example, bold. So it's going to be bold. It's going to be italic. And it's going to be stroked. And also, since we added the square bracket, we get to add more. For example, text. And then add something. Let's add a colour. Green. Now, add another text. And add the colour blue and make it bold. I know guys, it might sound a bit difficult, but when you actually find out all of it, then well, yeah, it's good. Now we've got Mr. Sheep wants you to like and subscribe. And now as you can see, I don't know if you guys know any music, but once you add a value like bold equals 1, bold equals 1 will stay for the whole thing. So for example, if I don't want to strike through by wants you to, then I'd have to add that in. Mr. Sheep wants you to, colour green, and then strike through 0. Like this. Now guys, I will also show you some other things that you can do. Using our newfound name message, you can also, in Java Edition, use this tell command, since it practically is the same. Just put this in. And imagine it's like a name tag. This is your name tag MBT data. Text hi. So then, when you flick the lever, it will activate the MBT data. And as you can see in the chat, it's producing a white message in the chat. And you can also set this to anything, for example, to troll your friends. Like this. If you put lots of these in command blocks, you can make it seem like a player's joining the game like this. Or even troll players by, for example, doing this. For example, putting your friend's username in here and making them say stuff. Well, that's it for this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.